guess I'm afraid.
There is nothing to be afraid of, Mr. Morgan. Take a gamble that love exists and do a loving act.
Forgiveness? There's some folks that don't deserve it.
People venerate savagery, and you will die. Savage!
We said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Revenge is a fool's game.
I'm begging you. No! You risk all this? For what? For Micah?
All this? Well, this wouldn't exist if it weren't for Arthur, Sadie, and all the folks that fell.
Begging you.
I'm begging you to understand.
Please!
It's John Marston, Micah!
Sons of Dutch makes us brothers. Sometimes brothers make mistakes.
Don't let him go. This place ain't no more real than one of Jack's dragons.
Hello, son. We're thieves in a world that don't want us no more.
We are not criminals. We are outlaws.